A very wonderful afternoon to you all. God bless you. This is your beloved brother, Comrade Newton Igbenegun, the Archbishop of Activism, the hero for democracy, and ambassador for good governance. I bring you good tidings from the Most High God. So we are in the month of February, and the year is accelerating. And we have to also accelerate along with the accelerations. Please, if you are watching before any other thing, kindly just share. Share to the glory of God and to the shame of the devil. God bless you all richly as you do that. Good afternoon, Star Prince. Good afternoon. God bless you. Please just do sharing as we do this very quick one. Very, very quick. Very, very quick one. So let's quickly discuss vividly about the insecurity in our country. And it can also be a real open mic. Mr. Daniel, God bless you. God bless you in a hurry. Please, if you are watching, make sure you share. It is important at times if we do sharing so that other people will also be a part and parcel of what we are doing. Whether good or bad, what we're doing here also have a positive, it's playing a positive role in our society. It's playing a very positive role in our society. And for those of us who still love good things, who want to also know about what's happening in the American election, as I told us before, it's not over yet. I know most of you don't want to hear that. But it's something you have to hear, and if you can hit your head on the wall, that's left for you. So there is a forensic audit or evaluation ongoing right now in Arizona. A lot of people may not know the meaning. The meaning is simply that they want to look into it. Really, there was fraud in the election. So thank God the senators there, they raising up and say the integrity of American election must have to be reviewed again. So this was something that was very difficult at the initial stage. A lot of them, they never cares about it. So, but today, most of them, they are keen to it. All the senators, they are joining their heads together to make sure this forensic audit is done. And one thing, I wonder about people, particularly at times something happens in life for you to know the people who is in your surroundings or who is in your domain. You don't just expect to give up in life easily like that. Most of all, the reason why we go to church today, we go to church as a result of we don't like the kind of life we are living. The kind of life we are living or the position we find ourselves, we don't like it. So any man that persisted to say, I own this thing, why will anybody collect it from me? I guess such a person has not done anything wrong. So what you do to support such a person? Yes, man, you are in the spirit. God bless you. I love people that are courageous like that. It's coming back soon, but a lot of people does not really understand. A lot of people does not understand. Like me, there are a lot of facts I don't give up. When we are coming to Europe, we encounter a lot of things in Morocco that would have even made me, I would have disembarked and say I want to start going home. But I was courageous. So anytime I see anybody being courageous, I support the person. If the man said the election was stolen from me, wait, just a suspicion, let him fight it out. Don't be in hurry. Don't be in hurry. As someone don't be in hurry, and such a person should not be questioned. So if you are questioning the man, why must he be saying they ran the election, for example? That to say a day will come, if anybody dragging anything from you, so people will come and say, give it up. Most of all will drag land. Most of all will drag husband. This husband, Nami Mariam, why you want to come drag her with me? This wife, Nami Mariam, why you come drag her with me? Then what was wrong if a man stood up and say, this election was wrong? Okay, now, why are they now allowing him now to do the forensic audit? It's going to cost money. A lot of us know Donald Trump has money. One of the richest American presidents that have ever ruled America is Donald Trump. So that's not that I don't want to put that one in for a lot of us who have been following us here. I don't want to give you that. I know I said it last week, but finally, the forensic audit is ongoing. So, by the grace of God, we are going to be experiencing a big change. I know I got the conviction within me that the election was stolen. The reason why Nigeria is today, people don't even win the election. Even when you ask them your results, they don't buy. At the end of the day, bring any result, we accept them. So everybody cannot be like some people in Nigeria. So you cannot say because the way your election is conducted in Nigeria, then it should be conducted abroad. No. 74 million American citizens, that is not insane, voted for this man legally. So those ones, they are not sleeping. The 80,000 they said, the 80 million that they said Joe Biden got, where are those people? Why they not attend the inauguration? Why are we not seeing them on media? Why are they not commenting? Even go to the BBC, go and look at it. The video they used in doing the inauguration, go on, millions of thumbs down. Later, the YouTube, they remove all of them and they turn it to become thumbs up. The thing is that we don't follow, we don't read news. We hear one thing from BBC, we get concluded, maybe that just was happening. But now your life. Now your life. But one thing I don't want to know, your negativity, don't put it here in the platform. Look for somewhere you can put it. It is my platform. It is your own platform if you have good mind, because this platform cannot be big for everybody. No. It's not where constitution. Now, coming back to our country, we've really seen about the insecurity that's happening in our country today. Now, how are we going to go about it? These are the same kind of archaic mind that we have. We kind of divert away most of the time. What we are supposed to talk about, we don't talk about it. Right now, the issue is there. The issue is there. There is no day killing does not happen in Nigeria. Go to news now. You will not hear maybe nearly the whole Europe. If something won't even happen mistakenly, maybe it will be one country or two. But our own is happening deliberately. And what are we doing about it? What are we doing about it? Then I was talking about resignation that day, because I've come to know one thing, that the people who want to hear the myth thing, I've revealed a lot of things and put it here. I think our this thing right now, whether I retire, I want to retire or resign, I want to resign. IG, Inspector General of Police, IGP, they resign. Buruta don't resign. I'm not going to be telling you that I know why they are resigning. I'm not going to be telling you that there's something happening in Nigeria already. But my next prayer is that may you stay alive. May you take see how God wanted to turn things around. Whether or not who you feel say God want use, now God use good. Whether or not it depends what you see the insult, say you don't feel do anything, now God still use good. But my next prayer while I'm doing all these things is for everybody to be get informed, so that we will not be deformed. Yeah. Pentagon. That's why he cannot even go to the base there right now. Army base there cannot go there. So even the army, they are not even. Now, my chairman, Ima Pacino, I don't want to deliberate on that, because I found that a lot of people don't want to hear the truth. But my next prayer is that whatever thing we've said here, everything will come to pass. I thank God we are following up. I do see you here most of the time on this very platform. Maybe you are keen to the ideology today, then you are following up news. You are following up news. It makes you to be more wiser. So nobody go feel call you fool tomorrow again. Somebody I speak to, look at what's happening. He was telling me this morning, he was in one place yesterday. They were telling him Donald Trump will be coming back. I was just looking at him. Now, I think if person give you preamble, tell you something, go on your own, go think am. Salami Frank, I'm not just, I'm not, if you want to know anything about, people, you don't just jump into it like that. In what way? I want to make this very broadcast to be more diplomatic. In what way is it tribalistic? I think your president should be more tribalistic. Because what is in the life of your president cannot be laughing at that people. Who is more tribalistic? Is it Buhari that Allah for Allah is meant to be killing everybody in Nigeria? Or Donald Trump, who is protecting everybody equally? You can see that we learn to find fault from what is known in people. We want to start saying it. Who is more tribalistic? Is it your governor or your people? Maybe you may be a Benin person, for example. Did you see those people have today have cooperation in social media? Who is more tribalistic here? Is there any tribe in America? America is English. Who brought peace between the Middle East? The peace deal this man have signed, nobody has signed it in the world. Who brought peace where there is no war today between the Middle East and the Palestinians? Who brought it? You can see that most of us, we just say something. Well, if you want to learn, my brother, just learn. Do you know what's called tribalism? Valuing your own color more than every other person's own. Do you know how many black men that Donald Trump have promoted in the army session? Even the Jobani Yeglo of you are supporting today. He put tens of thousands of people into prisons during the time of Obama. Joe Biden have not done any one good thing. He has been in government for almost 43 years. No one thing he have done. The most president where don't sign the highest executive order, he don't sign 19 since the very first day he entered office. Do you know how many Donald Trump signed? Donald Trump only signed 1. Obama signed 5 from George Bush. I think Bill Clinton did not sign anyone. Should I give you the American history? So at times we say what we don't know. That's just the main problem that we have. We just talk for talking's sake, and it's not good. You cannot be on a media. Then, if for example what I'll be saying is not the fact, I will not be coming out today. Maybe out of millions of people that's going to be watching this video, or tens of thousands, or comment that's going to be here. Now let your own go different. Tribalistic. Why did he put peace in the Middle East? And you are even writing something, you don't know the meaning of tribalism. Now Buhari did tribalistic, and it's also nepotistic. That's why you unleash Fulani on your fathers and your mother in the village. He unleash it on us, and he's not doing anything about it. What has Joe Biden done since he has been in the office? Only what you know how to do right now is to sign executive order. Since the 35th president of America, 35th president of America, starting from Ronald Reagan, John Carter, John name me down, George Bush, Hillary, Bill Clinton, Obama, and the rest. John name me down. Now you don't sign the highest executive order pass. 19 executive order. Even the one that favor America, they cancel all of them. Do you think America is a bondage? Because CNN is amplifying a lot of things. When I told you guys the other time that even the way the American election was run, right now, the people that own the Dominion voting machine, you may not know this, but let me just educate you a little. Dominion voting machine, these are bodies. They are private bodies. They are the one countries contract. Please, bring out your machine just the way ANEC is in Nigeria. Other body may also be functioning as an ANEC tomorrow. We will contract them. Please, give us your machine. We trust you. Could you know today, anywhere they have used this Dominion machine in the whole world, all their president is having problem. Some of the things that lead to the resignation of Italian Prime Minister was because the election was hard with a Dominion voting machine. 16 states in America have this electoral fraud. But you may not know, and nobody tell you this. My brother, if I were to be you, anything where you don't know, listen first. Anywhere or they don't be quick to give response. Because otherwise, before me, I'm a fast thinker. All of you know I'm a bishop of activism. If we talk about Bible right now, we are to Eladian. So that's me for you. So before you come here, you might have soaked yourself with something. Or you come here being disgraced. That is just the fact. I give people for their opinion, but don't just come here and give a cake opinion. I want to also learn from you. How many tribes in America where Donald Trump be the tribalistics? Where we have tribalism, he is in this thing. A lot of you call him racist. This man is not just racist. Never is not his in blood. He cares for you and I. You don't know. We don't have time for people. At times, a lot of people are just being jealous. Are just being jealous because at the time you are doing what they cannot do, jealousy go enter their body, and that's the reason why they remain where they are today. So jealousy at times is too much for people. Were you there when you read the Bible? Your pastor that is using Bible to deceive you today, were they there when he was not there when they read the Bible? He read the Bible. The Bible is just like a novel like this, you know. It's just like a novel. You read it and the Spirit of God begins to interpret it to you. So if I do my, okay, go and go. Is there anything like forensic audit or forensic evaluation going on in Arizona? You go and check it. You don't need to believe what I'm saying. But I will not take you insult me. I'll go insult your pa, insult your ma. I've never done it before. If you provoke me, I'll say your ma, your pa, they be bastard. And I have no apology for that. So it is when you go and do your research, then you didn't see it. You can call me the name you want to call me. That is the fact. Okay, America is not far from me. America is here. If you want to know everything that's happening today, search deep, you will get it. America is also here. If you want to know what's happening, you can get it. It's not far. It's close. If you have your internet, it is closed. If you have the people you follow and you know how to combine A and B together, you do the phone sentence, it is close. It's not far. It may be far from you because you are stupid. Did I need to be in America before I know what's happening in America? Was your pastor in Israel when you know what happened in Israel? There are a lot of pastors today, they can tell you the how many sons Jacob has. What prompted Esau and Jacob? What makes Esau to send the best right to Jacob? He can tell, was he there? It took him study. The pastors that are doing well today are not the one that give prophecy all the time. They are the one who do extra research about the word of God. Okay, if I hear about something, now he complained that there was election fraud, electoral fraud, or irregularity of this election was much. I put it in my memory from time. And right now they are doing a forensic audit. I should be able to tell my followers, so look at what's happening. Okay, if it is not there, why are they doing it? Why Dominion machine, but Dominion voting machine, the CEO, why are they annoyed that Donald Trump is crying out? Why is your so-called useless Biden signing 19 executive order for one day? It have never been done in the history of America. Obama only signed 5. Donald Trump signed 1. George Bush signed 1 or so. Now only Bill Clinton not sign anyone. Go and do your research. Then you should be the one that doesn't know what he's doing. Your own. So far you eat belly food. You go from the supermarket and beg. That's your own. These are the problems. We never want to learn. When Una started telling us, Buhari is no more. Buhari is not there. Buhari is not there. This was all of you were insulting him. But he is the savior today. I want to learn from. There are comments we will put here right now. Instead of me to start attacking you, what I do, I want to go and find out what's happening. Look at it today. Take your attention all over the world. There are a lot of resignation today. And one thing you guys don't know, there are a lot of things BBC don't talk about. The killing of Fulani herdsmen. BBC don't talk about it all the time. BBC, they don't talk about it all the time. British Broadcasting Corporation, they don't talk about it all the time. Why? Because they have hand in it. If people tell you Britain is one of the people destroy Nigeria, you feel because they are white color, they cannot destroy Nigeria. Now, who is the one spearheading this killing in Nigeria? And all these Fulani herdsmen you are seeing, who is the one sponsoring them? Who opened door for them? And whose tribe is these people? They are the tribe of your president. That is, your president cannot caution these people. That is to say, it's your president that is tribalistic, not Donald Trump, that is tribalistic. These are areas where I'm too much misconception today. We don't want to know. People like you will still go and meet one man of God now. If your man of God pray for your document, now you will take that document, not knowing that there are a lot of things you are lacking you are supposed to do. We enter problem easily, but to get out of it is the problem. What you don't know, someone must have to teach you. There are a lot of things you can do in life today. I can't do it. I have to learn from you. So if you lack, the book of James, he said, if anyone lack wisdom, let him ask of the Lord, who give to everyone liberally to them that demand for it. So if you lack, there are wisdom of interpretation. There are wisdom of understanding. So it comes in different forms. So you are not to tell me that this boy is good in so and so area like that. Not be people they lie. Not be people who come in their account lie. Even what they tell you not even day about. Okay, since you have been following our platform, what if now even Dominion voting machine, let me tell you, say go and go it. If not be Dominion voting machine, they take America election. If you are not a fool, let me insult you a little. It will make you to be more wiser. The satellite they used in ringing America's election was connected to Italy, was connected to Frankfurt in Germany, was connected to Iran. Then this Venezuela is a part of it. And also Russia. Russia own a small inside. Now small, that one not even ready to investigate. But the main people that is doing all this thing are the Chinese. The good American today who follow suit, who does not believe on immigration, who believe on the future of their children, they all love Donald Trump. Go to YouTube. Go where they talk about Donald Trump. Go to YouTube. Go where they talk about Donald Trump. Bro, I'm all broadcast. Irela broadcast. Irela broadcast. Irela broadcast later. Now, these are the things we don't know. Nobody even want to know whether the election was wrong, what happened. All you know is that Joe Biden won. Okay, Joe Biden know. What is he coming to give to you? A man that is not insane, for example, you should know this person coming, what does he have to give to me? That would make you to stand. I know what Donald Trump has for his people. I know what he has for me. I even know what he has for you today that is misbehaving. You may not know because you don't think. That's why today you cannot teach 5 people. I've made a lot of impact more than every other person by the grace of God. This very social media. Go and watch my videos. You cannot follow me and be a mumu. If you are mumu, you know say you want to follow come. Because I do think. The head is made for thinking, not be said that they play time. The ear is made to hear what, not be hearing that they put. But here we are today, where Europe is not enough. We doesn't bloody care. All we care about is about today. Let's talk about the future. Who is to make the future to be okay for us? Who is to help us? Follow this man strictly. War has it. The only American president that doesn't go to war. He never go any war. He did not cause any war. He retrieved American soldiers, American troops. He bring all of them come back. You just hear 10,000 American troops in Afghanistan. He come as and say, man, why are we sending up our troops like this? War not did this place. But what's happening? The soldier, why the soldier behind it today? The army. He still control the army, even is not in the office. Thank God for him just now who they follow up. Why Joe Biden not go Pentagon? Let it go to the army base in Pentagon. Make it go. So you are, I don't wonder. They come with COVID-19. They are deceiving you today. Or all of you kind of taking COVID-19. Please think. It doesn't question that to pensar. We can't just be in this life like that. Let me land. If I land finish, go do your findings. 5% still call. It may not be as you need them. It may not be as you just need that 100%. But at the end of the day, I may give you a clue. I asked you a question the other day. Waiting make Angela Merkel they step down. Why is the Italian president resigning? But most of you, if you want to write, you begin to write another thing. Don't just hate me, my dear. It took me time. I paid my due to Rava this extent. If you can comment, for example, you can come here and comment nonsense. You have your Facebook. Open up your Facebook. Explain this thing you are saying right now, that Donald Trump is tribalistic, or he believes in tribalism, in 1 or 2 sentences. May you see curse where people will curse you. What is tribalism? Your president, who president you have in Nigeria, should be the one that is tribalistic. No dead people does not die. Who owns this ethnic group? Now Buhari be the head. Fulani herdsmen, the one in Senegal, the one in Mali, the one in Guinea. Fulani herdsmen, they also be like a Ketano so get for Jand here. They are everywhere, polluting everywhere. But I talked about the insecurity in Nigeria. Do you not put an answer the insecurity really bad? German concentrate on insecurity. But Donald Trump, where you not know? You don't know I just started life. Okay, now why would Joe Biden drive the federal guard? Why drive them come out for White House? When we say now Donald Trump come go give them hotel, give them a 5-star hotel for Washington, they made the state. Why will he allow them, tell them to go to underground and stay a place where more to the park? And there was cold. May they go stay there. May they come up for somewhere. Why will Joe Biden do that? Why did it was Donald Trump that is no longer in position now? Now go see go give them a hotel. Why are they still trying to impeach Donald Trump? Why? Before it's over, best way don't die. May you leave her now. That to say, my brother, Mona not they come here the fool herself. I the beg all of you now. Mona not they come here the fool herself. It's not good. I'm not in America where I am today. I can choose to stay there. I don't get problem. As you did as a day and I too dope. I don't get wahala. Because now people like when they cry say racism there. You don't even know the meaning of racism. You are talking racism. You want to know about the quarrel, you turn out to racism. It's not about racism. Now just quarreling. If you know what you are doing, you guys are just quarreling. So before you start supporting somebody, you must have something you are defending about the person. All you had that right now time for me. You go to the America now. Go to the America. You go America and die, and you stay in your country and stay alive. Which one do you prefer? It's not all about abroad here. It's not about the location. It's all about the location. A lot of us today, we are tired of Europe. Me, number one, I'm tired. When there's school right now, you will nearly die. I'm tired. I feel like staying on the continent of Africa where I was born. The little thing I have, I manage it. That's it. How many of you are making for Jand here? How many of you are making for Jand here? How many of you today can boldly say, I will train my children? A farmer can still train up his children in Nigeria. But if you are receiving 1,200 euro in a month, you have children, you pay your house, you pay everything good. Can you take from that very money and train your child in the university? Go and confirm it. You don't know the task ahead of you in the front. Do you think you are going to be rosy like this? Maybe you see person who put you for house, you never pay for full house. You are here roaming about. You think life is going to remain like this? If this world not change 10 years from now, people begin to hang themselves because of frustration. If things not change for good 10 years from now, people will start hanging themselves because of frustration. Here you are. I know the modality of this very man, what he's trying to bring. The bad people, they have their agenda. The good people, they also have their agenda. This man has spent much to make sure there's peace in the world. I think they have been selected for Nobel Prize right now. He has been selected for Nobel Prize. You may not get it. CNN or BBC. They say we are like they wash a cloth, dove not fit no. At times we leave our leaders, instead of to call our leaders' name that will make them to change, we concentrate on another person's. And if I'm talking, I might be talking to 1 or 2 persons here who believe in what I'll be saying, and they'll be following up. I know that God will definitely use somebody to fix up this. The head is not how you think it. I'll be telling us who is Bill Gates. You will not understand who is Bill Gates. Who is your body, you will not understand. Who is this a man? I don't want me to the man mention his name again. Where they call him Pope. Who be that one? Una no want understand. Who be Obama? Una no they understand. Who be Hillary? Una no they understand. Who be Nancy Pelosi? Una no they understand. Who be Chuck Schumer? Una no they even the way me tell know una party member. Una no even know like that. The way me even take the mention una name as una take that woman. So you yourself where they support her, you don't even know her like that. You don't know her. Right now, Donald Trump are already prepared right now. He have changed his lawyers that's going to be representing him in the impeachment where they want to. Now from there, the man wants to submit. He evidence said they ring this election. The very thing they plan, the very day where they go do their fake installation instead of inauguration, that was the day was supposed to arrest all of them. But they send up a signal. If you try them, they will bomb some part of America. Now the man relax. I'm telling you this for the first time, but I know they want you to take us on kind things. But for those of you that are interested, that was happening. This is the only method right now through this forensic audit. Where go fit submit it blind. This thing was wrong. But nobody want to listen. If I consider the cost you and I follow you tomorrow, it go pay me, say, man, when this world, we are not living in a better world, you yourself, you are in one third corner regretting all what you have done because of comment. Let reason. As you said, I'm not in America, but how come I know about it was in America? Who is Nancy Pelosi? You cannot even define who is Nancy Pelosi. Let me show us some pictures here. Just hold on. Let me do this once and for all. I pray they don't tamper with this page. Let me show you some pictures. Because I don't know how I want me to talk to man. You don't feel they follow devil, they work now. The thing again, they pay me for body. What do you concern devil? If you want even support anything, support good thing. You just spend time, support good thing. Not be all evil person they support. You know? Like me now, good thing, they're not the use and play with me. I love supporting good things. I'm not supporting because, have you ever heard one day I talk about Republican, I'm talking about maybe Republican, I'm talking about a Democrat? No. No. Even when Obaseki's issue was there, every one of us, we supported him, not because we were a politician. We supported him because of the good man he had for the people. Let me just quickly show us a picture. Let me just quickly show us a picture for you to know who these people are supporting, who they are. Maybe this one from today, you may be able to change your aspiration or your thinking. If you see change down, good. If you don't see change down, no problem. Now, if you do, I want you beneath to talk. Wa go bona, obonemana ona. Wa ge. Wa mi obe vane. Okpa wuwe, oriman ore wuyomo wodo nokba. Wunanaze shin no wodo ni. Den gwede gbe mawa amawe again. Nibe mawa amawe. Ona ohona isu ni ohona ban wa mi gba bono ni eni. We wa mo yala dan wa. But inerun we ni are mwenana. Ni are mwenana, ni are gbe me page. Now, Owa no line Obama kela ona kena. Owa no line Obama kela o mi gba bona. Umikmi abona ni aniena. Oma wagu oye na megbowa. I don't know what is there. Me man no problem me man bon eore. Ga o ma na hui ni ma woti man no ni. Woman oveye overe ne no mani. Wa mi o. Overe ne no mani. Now, emini aga na hin. Now, Evani can mwela dianse. Mwen ni anaka bawa bon ni mwen mawa. Ge emara gbon re yin. O fe mana. Iyan ni pa ni so ni sin ya re wan. Now, why am I at times I'm optimistic? Now, umakpa yana yaji. You know when we for vaccine then you do yak level. Nyati a gate. And we for vaccine day. Umakpa yana yaji. Inorero mi wodoni. Me kwa ye indirect yata. Norero mi wodoni. Iyoga oriyan. And osie omano nuwawo oga one of America wodo. Ose kankankan. Wa mi office no be yenia. E picture ni ave no we omi yaji na no rewu yo mo dogma mu omu yo. Now o ma be your ni e weri ho. No yagbon ma where. You might understand. If you no see na gba tie bonu wa iwu wa ma en egbe wa ni bon wetu wa ho a anything. Because kakabo di me wa we politics yo to. Doma no hian zagbona no ma. I can't lay an we to fight with these people. At times I'm just surprised about human being. Man, we like immigration. We like any imagine agbe. A bargain wa wagena. Yeah, I think I have to protect my page. For those of you who don't understand, thank God for your life. But who don't understand, one, Donald Trump for every but ile na gbona ya mahe emeje na gbona funi mahi do wa we work now iya be fi wori enege otu ni aye na iya ya dollar gbon yi emebe gogo no ma meje na Africa man we bo ma meje ime miro o maro pa mari emi me wo gbin na me o maro pa mari emi me amari go yo me po we ateve me no ma Donald Trump mari go me but oru yen no ma ni Jesu gi me ni me do pe bebe ma ke me pe na. So mi aga pe we get do we really mono. Ona ya me ya tie boni ma so ane boni odo alelu ekian. Because why who don't tell me no get her. Emanibun watch right now there are a lot of people who are interested to hear the truth. E ma soro no mate be hen. Iya be hen de na. Ba so do iya be do feel ka imagine ya na je so esu ya na hin. Esu we yi ono gba ogagbon na. Esu e we yi ono gba ogagbon na. You might understand. We expect where a devil or the ticket in nowhere. No way yari or when you yarry. Vinenage a you give. How is that possible? My worry van all we do. Erina I owe you. I don't want to know you more. What the daddy I owe you. Now, Emily Bigeti. Emily Bigeti, what Biget have said. De manokia mwese. De manokia mwese. Now, ugme wawe tane do anu ile liana gbinana agi opposition giya. Look at what happened in Uganda. I think every one of us is saying where Bobby Wine went. Runde weke Musavani or say Bobby Wine. Ona de river. Must we remain this oppressive attitude? We are not born with oppression. So, omana when we back where you may right now, yata wave no mana over again, man. Well, when they Donald Trump back, not by with tribalism, not by with racism. When we take the meaning of racism, we mind the meaning of racism. Who is Donald Trump tribalistic to? I don't know. I don't know. You make a peace. You want more kuigiro. A peace deal was signed here. No way take a sign in Nigeria. No sign between Israel and Morocco. A king gave Morocco Mohammed VI. All ye gift in there. The Donald Trump were USA. No yari peace at the agmona. Was a lot of the just what I be Matthew chapter 5. Or we blessed are the peacemaker. Afiang be no one e muno mudia yo dewe no kore aro. Which e man or mudia yi. I was not supposed to deliberate much on this thing today, but I wake up why you demon where more people does not see think. Guys, it pains me a lot. They just let you think. The phone you are using, you don't know how it's made. The barrel, even the note you use in writing, you don't know it's made from wood. Have you one day imagine? We don't imagine. We are very comfortable. Think you cannot think. Okay, now, population by force, depopulation by force vaccine. A begin to go on since 2011, many years ago. I have been so here. A boy where 3 billion I don't know wulu. But we want to concentrate on Africa. But now, don't want to oppose Yana. Aguyana been away, man, I come to pass. You don't body care. That's why today, Fulani Esme are killing Edo people gradually, killing the whole Nigerian gradually, because nobody bloody cares. It does not concern me. This one says it does not concern me. Now, the only person we have seen right now, okay, now, who is combating with these people, who is not a part of them, all this Donald Trump. Oh, yeah, I'm swearing here. Me swearing Jesus, zero miumafan. Ni me edege. If Jesus o can low, God is going to enter through a man. He will not use Suleiman. No. Suleiman, I mean, Tini. No. He's not going to use Oyedepo. No. He will not use them because they have no strength. What are we talking about today? That God is using Nnamdi Kanu. Because he already have a security network already. Only God knows where he gets his support from. When will we ever support good thing? Okay, Nana, let me support this thing because it's good. Okay, now, what did you like about Joe Biden? Put it there. Look at the reason why I like Joe Biden. A Joe Biden might lack bo. Ona we no be ani $100, the ani atam agbon we the government in on there. It just introduced the kind of government no hang at me. That we went up there wa ti we look be ama awa. When I wami no salobwa na fian buwe. Awami no salobwa egbo wo pa wo we awami na. Awami no salobwa no salobwa ma we no ro meji we boyo. Fornication ka ware Bible there. O se mo me we na gbo mani wa. But I o ma uku no ma keke no man yo boyi na o ma no do bowe uwe na lawo wa. But why are we? So we will become so useless that we don't anything can serve. So where about life in Anna, you are in this life, you don't have any kind of life you want to live. Anyone can serve. I have my own way, my own principles. That's why I keep on saying what I'm saying. One or two persons today right now have made me to elaborate more on what you are about to put your hand. You go to church and ban devil. Then the devil will rule like Bonanana Esu. Esu will rule like Bonanana. Chairman, I'm Amola Brokers. I'll call you back, please. I'm Amola Facebook Brokers. Now, Esu will rule like Bonanana. But you go to church on Sunday. Hey, God, every demon, or my carry before, but Odorulu Wene. You hear anyone, and you come again, one can say. Up to now, nobody was able to think, how come about COVID-19 and what are we going to do about it? Now, have you ever one day wondered, why are they always disturbing my page? They disturb my page because of this thing I'm telling you. They disturb my page because of this thing I'm telling you. Do you know what I go through because of this thing I'm giving out? You don't know what I'm going through. Am I doing it for myself? No. What's a man I keep information on agreement? But I have to say it out. So that those who have here, let them hear. It's a part of the gospel. Ni ma make na ya mwegbe yoto. Esu to boy or you waru wan gbonana. E ma no iwegbe se o to esu no iwegbe se or rupona. But we want me jaji we him. What he can me jaji kan o to esu na deba. De wegele do wegele we mi Jesus ayo usu yan na ka be gbe Jesus no ma give Jesus come to pass yan ka be gbe Jesus we no pe. Then who are you? This Sunday I do yasu wan be church go man wa deba aze enye varo to uzokpa we ilago di odebie bi he. Okay na be ni me ma we na ni o na be photoshop e osunu yan ya hen every no ma hen we go ma o no hen yan ya hen. We get government in on there. Where it is survive. We got it survive. Who were when on a mwezo you cut in and I have a woman guilty. What is here now, working now, a plan in the army, water, or Mariette come to pass avec COVID-19 en Guinée, Yahoo. Avec big game and a bonnet where Uno and Waye Nana Bele, avec Belo Waswe. Il va quand même away last 2 weeks. Et quand on a away COVID-19 avait bien. On a mouru, voya mouru, ma o yo. Ou ya o e abima kwe kiren yo. Please, we should help ourselves here. You cannot live down this society. Agbona do boy can we to him on a day. Our father was not this low thinker. Our father, they invented a lot of things. He invented when Ayakobe moving here. Our father, they started it. Udo di wire, udo yakon free. They invented it. What are we inventing today? We're winner. Everybody want to come and bro. Want to do Yahoo Plus. You that cannot reason what's happening, you are telling me when I'm not in America. Must have been in America to know what's happening. How did your pastor know what happened in Israel? How did you know what happened in Turkey every day? You can see that if as a then Nanayi gain you file feather, they write something with ink. Agbon you talk during the time of BC or AD whatever in Egypt. No talk of now you have barrel, you have pen, you have paper. The 10 commandments that God gave to Moses, he wrote it on a slab. Rather than everything there, you can tap on your phone, you can carry your barrel and read. But yet, you can carry your paper and read, yet nothing's happening. You put plasma in your house, you don't know what's happening. There's a news that came out the other day now, how Facebook are monitoring people. Even when you are offline, they will still be seeing what you are doing. Nobody cares about that. Why do you know your kind or can't walk? It's gone. Little thing you can also do to help your people. You don't think. We don't think. That's the problem we have. How will Africa be great? You cannot do phone. You don't know the can I try to phone, or you just know Oladian Wawe Yade. Oladian Wawe Yade. I think this earphone right now with Bluetooth. You like it when I wear it. In my way. Okay, if I can also do that, I should be able to also use my head for a better thing. But our own is a problem. All we know how to do, copy and paste, me or then that's what we know how to do. Why people are out there, he go get A from this YouTube channel, he will go another one, go get B, combine them together the women also know. How did the people in the book of Matthew 26, when Jesus Christ told them, this building you are saying going to be destroyed, thought they will be rebuilt. He speaks in parable. So what you are seeing today, a lot of things will be done in parable. So if you are thinking where everything is going to come as rosy as it used to be, my dear, you cannot get a clear notification like that again. It is not that too glary. There are a lot of information that's hidden. If you go and search it, you'll be rich. The difference between a rich man and a poor man is information. If you are not rightly informed, you'll be rightly deformed. That's what is happening today. What makes me today, I know a better days will come. Oh, now, this was not the original purpose of the man. Go and read your Bible. The first Adam or fuck up in the book of Genesis, in the Garden of Eden, the river was flowing from four sides. One is flowing gold, one is flowing silver, one is flowing everything. Everything was there. God let up put a man there, keep it and dress it. But reverse was the case. After man lost the glory, God had to send what? Another man. So if God is sending another, God will definitely use another person again, who is in the midst of us. Because we cannot continue like this. If you think you have job today, maybe you are single, you have job, 1,000 to 1,030, good. But when the family now multiplies, how will you do with that? If not because the nothing job in Manibuya, how many of you would have been able to boast up with a land today? Compare your 5 years ago or 10 years ago. Most of you today right now are not beg to eat. How it was. Or they don't watch this on it. We are still in Europe. Things are still getting worse every day. You cannot go back home and do anything. People that are dying today because of insecurity in Nigeria, it pains me. I will not say because I'm secure here, then I will not talk about it. No. If I come here to come and give you an insight, look at what's about to happen. My dear, Memagu wegwan. There are people today who have talked to, who believe on it. Everything you encourage na yakpe use. They say, okay now, honor ever when me na my me away second way yeah. Okay, now I'm not supporting me down with my when not here boy yo. Who women who will let it be a competition in my atiebo. Let carry one Bible from Israel and swear. Who is supporting batting out of me and you? Who do bawe war? Who why? Because you may support. It is scriptural, it is biblical, it is written. Please let's be very, very careful. Do you want more ya deity? Hate me for what? Nina give you information. If you don't want to hear, no need of coming or writing comment here. On your garden Facebook. Talk your own way, maybe talking me now. You on your Facebook, talk your own. A sensible person will understand where I'm going to. Forensic audit, you go and hang yourself. It's ongoing in Arizona. They want to check. How come they were fraud in this very election? How come they man who and have making a vote? I warn you, man, on where is enough for you to be surprised. I think I'm in the mode of laying curses on most charlatan and the misguided element again. Because what demand? I've come here several times. Oh man, no who I don't mean what we vote. Where we make money there. Only my son of Buwegbe woke I nana makeke. If they do the forensic country code Donald Trump forget a lose, we forget it like that. We forget it like that. In Mami ma bio eh. Oto de do hun de not be one person na for everybody. Agbona do bo wa kan we wo to esu na we ye. Awo gbori san we hin. My dear, oni ere mo saloboa. E managbona o no money la diana. And o doni e wona bo doni American wike okay mo boriare. Once any mo ye bene e manikba in follow. Denyo pa no re society. No ma keke no ro no pe na kerukpo. Ure wa mo huoma. O mama me no ye we. A chiefs even do some of them. No man go and killing of Fulani herdsmen who went and sold your land. Or kill table ne Fulani no ye ma gbele ma bena. Wa ma tie boneni any man dey tribalistic. What is happening today in Nigeria? Those people, they are not tribalistic. So at times it pains me that a lot of people leave their problem, they are solving other people. I am an activist. I have the right to talk about any country's issue. The first issue I put there, insecurity in Nigeria and the killing of innocent citizens in Nigeria is in the heading there. Then the second topic was about the American election. But none of you now, no when I comment in Omakianina, who could write anything about the killing of a brother at home or show who were wicked. Did your body go with You saw me talking about Donald Trump. Or Donald Trump we me tayi e mano hulo we mami tayo. Then it shows your incompetency and your wickedness as a human being who does not bloody care about anybody. All they care about is about themselves. For how long are we going to keep on living like this? Imagine thousands of people, thousands of comments are all work by different. They just show that you are irrelevant. I don't like it. No matter how hate I will have for Biden, nido mori yo hun emi no kin e meta esu e no esu onwinana e get esu e no Obama or esu no Vatana. Not all that glitter are gold. We don't like the appearance. Waru we ko ni vi ane we ko a first vaccine when they begin to work where the population I can't gbele my so I can't reduce the population na when I see you back or top by first vaccine Gabriel man so yan monare I can't force yan on your me away. There is that one not enough for you to sit back and say now who are the people that are not promoting me now which I've been naming to you here but yet eredu wamaye omaye tore because nene sagen we should be very, very careful what we will support. Any person that supports evil, I hate you automatically. A lot of people may be thinking, well, this guy not a good person, talk to Ramadi or Minata. Awa do gbele ma wa e ma no kan do ekini e we the boy expect. Why will you be doing that? Okay, now gbona ma gbona no wo pa aye we yi. Nene me na we banner or survive man pa we can survive. Or ban the Nigerians in over ban was our politicians because of their corruption. Or ban the Arab. Why? Because yeah, my boy, a bomb blast. Since then, he didn't fight any war. He didn't fight any war. A base army, a soldiers in America. A being I don't where he have a soldier and have go home and be able war. Before he came, all they do is to escalate. Why he was sigmina? If you are Yoko. Eyan waru wo awodo ovie ni bun wa wo re gbe ona se so ayo ari exchange duty ona ron pa wa rack for 10 years iro very oni the main people they are happy any man complain unu soldier we mi gbe wo yin the soldier today the army do we no call Chris Miller call they are happy with him. Because it makes them to come and see life from another perspective. If we have another president tomorrow, for example, then the president now happens to do what? Fight insurgency for. We will be very happy. We will be very happy. That is it. So all this one, we are talking something. You don't say things out of hatred. Now, talk about your government. Who is your government? Who is your traditional ruler? And who is your brothers and sisters at home? These are the things we should first of all. Who can you be no robi waohi or Bible we carry your way in? Before you start judging other leader, first of all, judge your leader. I did a video on Sunday. I dealt with both our traditional ruler named Manoro and our political leader named Manoro. But none of you could do it. You couldn't go there and write this single man. How are we going to stop this thing? Okay, the mess we have at home about this full and enhancement. How are we going to stop it? None of you put a solution there. Up to now, the vigilante, they are crying out. They need support. Okay, in what way can you support these same people? In what way can you support your vigilante? In what way can you support your vigilante? Edoma kill Edoma. What is that? Is that not worse than racism? So a lot of us, we say what we hear that people say. I mean, almost, but you shouldn't be one that start protagonizing it. No. Don't be the one that will start saying it. Very memoir or gawala the because if you are against Donald Trump, for example, then you should be for Joe Biden. Illumina with him. And you are going to reap what you think you are sowing. We cannot allow the darkness to take over the light. We cannot allow it. So people better than you know we phone we una a man with that of forensic audit or forensic evaluation. The Arizona, they are better than your generation. Because there are special people for it. Nowhere. They have been contracted. Do you know how many millions of dollars non-cost? Just to cause sanity. You think because one idiot come out, President Joe Biden, that America likes it? At the end of the day, why they don't surprise? Unwe voting on your man say 80 million. What's an Obama mark made the 80 million? Unwe rally Joe Biden yo. Why is it that nene fake installation? Why is it a woman of the nana yo? Ona ye na merete Chinese we fiesta. At times, a lot of you are taking it. Oh, you know, maybe it's a problem between me and you. It's not a problem between me and you. I come here to come and educate a lot of people. Every year I'm going. Umami me time there. Block away from this very because you are not even needed. We have a lot of pressing needs. You can put down your comment here to also teach me. Even so now, always talk more about this. Yeah, why we get working now? Let me quickly talk more about that. You are here arguing what you don't know. Mention one name about Joe Biden's cabinet. You mention it. Then you are telling me I don't know anything about America. When he make $50, 80 $50. I was in Nigeria, 87 make $50. Then $1 was almost about I think $1 to $2 or so. So we should at respect ourselves. The world is so civilized now that whatever thing you feel you are doing, people are watching you. If you are dead among the living, maybe Ogboris and working, opportunity for you to come out. But there are still more better people in the world. Why is it that the people that first of all said no, we will not do this thing? Those who have realized, okay, now let's go for the forensic audit. What if you are really following up? You should tell your body to be getting prepared, to be a partner. Always send them an AI investigator. Or my power, okay, way to do immediately. Why not defend it? Why go mukba? If you people are responsible. If I'm complaining, well, you are the one who stole my goods. You are supposed to be the one that will go to somewhere to go and find out if I really saw your good. You will draw me out. Why these people not dragging Donald Trump? Must it be Donald Trump that dragging them? Then I'm giving you right now, there's a forensic audit already going on in Arizona. Soon as maybe 10 days time, we are going to be getting results. Whether I really won that place or he did not win it, then you are there, you are here misbehaving. Huh? You are here misbehaving. This is how most of you right now, you have supported most of your brothers and sisters. 10 years time, we're going on river. You will very happy. Share the video of somebody naked in and said, we might get one of trauma. Do you know what it is when 10 years time or 5 years time? We are here somewhere again, way. Your children will be respected. Why our own will be called where the why my trauma or even this video I'm using, I'm even doing mistake English at times. Ama we do la den do mo gbola imula social media re ogo mo say every way to ya blackmail we deliberately wa popo yin aye. The trauma arrive where you will not be there to save the person, but this same you cannot tell the person right now, rebuke the person. But this is what I do. I will rebuke you from the beginning. But none of you have the courage to do it. Everything any presenter does is okay. It's very right. You only laugh for it. But agbona ogebe. At times you don't live for yourself, you live for other people. Nobody will be say. If you look at today, no woman where these eyelashes know the convenience. But because of beauty, now when it come, they need to do it. I want to be beautiful also. That's why they are doing it. Nobody. When no one live freely before. Do you think a lot of people cannot just wear slippers and wear to church? Make it try and people go laugh on. Now make some of them go wear high heel before you know they feel fall for road. Huh? So you don't believe that any person that say me get my life, I refuse and do anything. My dear, he's passing through something, not support him. Because when you go, they regret and later if you carry going, go take with you. Mark what I'm saying. All Edo people that deliberately come out on media and start useless themselves. The future for them, my dear, it may gaga. But the trauma, your children cannot face it. Your children cannot face the trauma. Face it. That's why we live a lot, we do a lot of things with the minimize them. With the minimize them. Don't anything when enter internet, when you don't expect they go repost them again. What about your children right now? As they elect, when they appear that they now say Joe Biden elect somebody from Edo, I know, I think on the Asian side. What about they just elect the woman? What it don't fair do before they just bring on social media? The career don't go. The career don't go. Or they just bring him Mama DC come out. Look at who you are sending to the Congress of the United States of America. See Mama when he was doing this. My dear, there are life you are living today. Your children will not forgive you. You feel born for 5 men better pass than all these things you are supporting some people doing. My dear, your child will not forgive you. Go and mark my word. He will not forgive you. He will not forgive you. Except he said the only way you can escape it. Most Oibo way they don't want to see is so more. And Oibo they live one life, so the same man. Now their life that they live. Oibo not get and say I'm gonna do for my children down. Or my you want to you who you water. Most of you now don't use una head now take do money because you want to keep wet for our children down. Oibo will not be like that. So get the oh we do amo mukpa we do amo meha. At the brain where I need the money. Or look at how was my mother this useless? Or te dukme mi kwogwe. Degwe. Or te dukme mi kwogwe. Eri degwe. He go hate you automatically. Okay, now if this kind of life your mama live on for grant for you, then I hate you wese. You fulfill with standard. Let's be frank and sincere to ourselves. This life you are living right now for a generation to come, your mom and follow come. If your mama live on down, will you be happy with your mom with what you are passing through today? Imagine you were asking for a job because a person can't go, or you were contesting for something because the legacy of your father or your mother come make affect you and I make you the suffer today. Will you forgive that your mother? Also it is. My dear, the European you are feeling today say that they said everything. A time is going to come. What you are seeing today in their society, it's going to go to be there. Now bad government make most of them there. The world may later turn for good. What you are thinking right now, Oyibo they side down. They may not side it, not be Oyibo. 80% of Oyibo don't still get time for nonsense. I'll see where Oyibo go grip his son. Yama police, I say me call police. To the extent they call any child will call police for a papa now. They know the answer again. They know the answer. So you that just coming, you are now for centric. You want to start acting like Eurocentric. There's no way it can work. We have a culture and we have a custom. We have our ancestral ground. If they will come, your ancestor must visit you again. My daughter, my son, what you are doing, you have not done it right. The trauma will be there. When a face you wear yari America, your mate face go see the tape America, where you work by your way or sienkoa. Because nobody know what you are going through. In within you, you know what you have suffered. The Bible says, what shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and suffer the loss of his own soul? And what shall a man give in an exchange for eternal life? So whatever thing you are doing today, my brother, there is tomorrow. How many of our leaders will they praise today right now? What you going to be remembered for? That what matters. What are you going to be remembered for? These are we support the way we are supporting Joe Biden now. That's why how we have supported a lot of Nigerian presenters. But today you don't know. At times those ones will wake up and begin to cry. But when you don't come to show, you want to follow up. You will not share that video, rebuke him. A time you go to come, he will look for you and say you were really a good friend. What does a good friend does? Who God love it changed? That word chastening in the book of Hebrews, discipline. Oh man, love or discipline. That's why a lot of us, those when we were growing up, there are a lot of things our fathers never supported us to do. It was not hatred. But most of us today can't it as hatred. The background your father was stopping you from. If you follow that background, maybe the follow you go you throw away. Look at it today, you are living freely. We were king. Common boy, you will go play. They'll just can't take pee your body for you. Akoko buwe. Imagine you go buy egg, eat. You will buy egg, eat that time. They'll pour water for your mommy, you shake your mouth big and come out. Now full family go beat you. But it does not happen again now because why then? Those things were scarce. Then no one may you go spoil. I know most of them don't say was maltreating now society, but that was how a lot of folks grew up today. But how many parents have that same mind today to discipline their children? Proverbs 22 verses. It says, train up a child the way it old, so that when it is old, it will not depart from it. That's why people when they talk to, they're not to the get viewer. Man, I say they are dealing with my page, but nobody wants to hear. But when I will remember, say, man, that guy really said it. I will not just come here and begin. Who will not be crazy? They call them crazy. When you have your fucking leaders, some of them in Nigeria, who have not been able to meet up to your own expectation. You are calling somebody a racist, but you have not deported. We have Daki as an army, who are major generals in army. They not deport them. How did they know racist? Therefore, you know, say all his cabinet, no black man there. The Donald Trump was trying to entice the people. He go, let them start functioning. They get one and say proof for COVID-19, whatever. May tell them what way they do now. For your information, if you want to go and hit your head, they will go and hit it. Donald Trump still control the military. Do a man and one. I don't know what you see devil. Everyone in Warepo. A mononi muria. Vaya guore Vatican. Where you don't follow suit. They will not, BBC will not tell you, say they go boss Vatican. They will not tell you that. Nobody will tell you that. You are here getting information. Do you know what it takes me to put all these things together? When you are sleeping at night, yawning, Miller, I'm on YouTube. Get a year, go combine them with B, read Bible journal. Do you think it's an easy thing? I just come the life they give the whole world, if not be waiting they happen. Have you ever wanted to see me proud of myself? I can't be proud of myself in you, but make one kind. But I'm proud about the promises of God. With God that promise, He's going to use through His servant anybody available to do to us. When we started supporting the kind of then there was how a lot of you will always come here to come and be passing. But today, even the Imo State, most Opus Odima, Umaya, and the rest of them, they are not. A time will come. If una they say yes, they go see say yes. Because he persistently keep on doing what he was doing. But yet, you are not supporting anything. May brother get their freedom now. Now you fair on read there, go one go buy land for Inewi. Or show free. When after Obaseki won the after the Obaseki won the court case, a lot of people that were insulting Obaseki in my platform came and started saying congratulations. Me never say congratulations. They will be one the first say, Governor Obaseki congratulations. I look at them and say, this word. People are not persistent in what they are doing. The people that were just the way some people are doing it right now, may Donald Trump win tomorrow. That's why they cannot do video. They know they cannot defend it. Do video. Support the Joe Biden. Not be true post. Come and explain what the Joe Biden is all about. Ni me do la dan do reply away. I'll be calling a lot of people for a fight. Let's come. Let's come and educate ourselves. Let's dig deep. Come and talk about the woman I'm supporting that is a devil. Let me come and talk about the Joe Biden you are supporting. Before you even do the video thing, God will track you there because you want to start promulgating what God said we shouldn't promulgate. So there is no personal issue here, but let's try and be wiser than this. We are supposed to be more than this. Imagine the credo of human development started from Africa. Africa don't day. Do you know when? But today, all those things is left behind. Nobody bloody care. We doesn't do research. Nothing. We want to always eat Igbo food. Chinese bring food come Nigeria now. I mean no yakbu. I mean no satana. I mean no lubo. But maybe you Igbo carry the lubo, come modernize and give us art color journal you can't read instead of being a little bit black. We go like her because we don't value what we have. If now Igbo they tell you this thing now, hey, you they repeat love and like. That guy they see you. Some of these things this pastor is telling you, why is our pastor rather no longer prophesying about American election or who could hear who? They don't do research. If they don't call their native daughter for Cameroon, that one tell them says you one win. Maybe the thing come or it can't delay, they go wrong. Why are they longer prophesying? I'm the only person remaining. I stand for Trump still. When he mood and Jesus, vave can you buberive mood ake Trump. Almost to the berry. A bokpa de die, agbona can't you. How can your so-called was sending 19 executive order? Do you know the meaning of executive order? 19 for one day or what sign or your laughies. 19. Uno Obama signed 5. Donald Trump not sign up. George W. Bush, Uno sign up. A big Clinton, I think, or my sign. Then you are happy. How many people in America you know we no claiming who love this very government? A city president that is going to be seeking for second tenure in the history of America. Now Donald Trump not don't get the highest vote. 94 million good citizens without fraud or voting. None of you care to watch news that about glitching. 6,000 votes that's supposed to be made for Donald Trump. Go join Joe Biden. You have a vote glitching. So when I get the guangete arige who are very wicked set of people. At least nobody seen it from that point. How many rally or yoga dana? No hun wa so no dey by un do body to gbo we un we to gbe do body. We don't go get sense. Who be bigot? We not want know. Who be your DC for Italy? We not want know. What was our problem? What's our problem? Now me Fulani explain 1 kill us finish so. Instead of to trigger the issue of Buhari that time, we don't trigger am. Anything break on. Some of us today, if Buhari is coming by the third time, why you be voting? Good day, all my good followers. God bless you all in Jesus' name. We're going to be coming out at any time again. So just have a nice day. Make sure you share this video. You can see that our page is still seriously under attack. And I pray they leave the page for us. And, you know, a lot of people that talk about this on YouTube, all of them were demonetized. So a lot of them just take it like that. Some of them used to receive thousands. There are people that have 500,000 followers, 400,000 followers. A lot of people are making sacrifice for your living. And you are not ready to make any sacrifice. You just do. You go to work and come back. That just or even when we stay ye thousand or ban $20. Not even your bob you can do. You have to pray for call the landlord. Then agma where ye say we bone. Now here they read book rich. Now here they do technology rich. You not see know anything. Thinking you cannot see think. It's a very pity. Jesus Christ wept in the book of John 11 verse 35. I wept for a lot of people. Good day and God bless you all in Jesus' name. Amen. Ciao, bye-bye.